Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Mitsubishi Pajero, stock number 6295. This ran from the 5th 2000 to the 9th 2006. It has a 4M41 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is the 4M41 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard no dents, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, spare wheel 17-inch factory alloy mag good tyre, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 1 dent and a damaged bottom mould, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifters, heated AC controls, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,